Hey guys, welcome to our day 2 of the 7-day Mudgar challenge for beginners. Today we'll be doing our second move, which is a double hand overhead swing. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's start with the swing. But before that, guys, please make sure that you did the day 1 video. Okay, very important. Do it in a complete sequence. Okay, so hold your Mudgar like this. Okay, like this. The hands should be near your belly button. Let's go for the overhead swings. 1, 2, okay, 3, 4. So basically what I'm doing is I'm starting over my left shoulder, going back, coming from my right shoulder. Okay, so you have to make sure you follow that. And second thing, make sure you're doing full range of motion. What I mean by that is, when you take your Mudgar behind, your Mudgar should be parallel to your spine. Okay, parallel to your spine. Then only you're getting full range of motion. Otherwise, what happens is a lot of beginners make this mistake. They start doing it like this. Okay, they start doing it like this just to finish the swing, but you're not getting full range of motion. Okay, so start doing it like this. Okay, got it? Come, let's continue. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, come on guys, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54 and relax. Okay, relax. Keep your Mudgar down, catch your breath. That was it for our day 2 video. I hope you are learning something new. I hope you're understanding the technique in the right way. That was it for today. I will see you now in the day 3 video.